4 means y plus 4x. If you observe, it is very easy to understand, no difficulty here. Yes. ఫోన్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టు, ఫోన్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టు, నువ్వు చేస్తున్నావు, ఫోన్ ఉంది నీ దగ్గర, దూరం పెట్టేసి, దూరం, కీప్ ఫార్ అవే. ఈవినింగ్ 5 తర్వాత నీకు ఇష్టం. ఓకే, everyone, here the roots are real and equal. Real and any observation on it. If the roots are real, I think you know how to express the complementary function. If the roots are real, in the previous differential equations, we have written C1 plus C2x. C1 plus here. First rule. What is the first rule? 1. Y plus 1x. And when the roots are repeated, please add the term x. X into f2 of y plus 1x. If the roots are 2 comma 2, can you please tell me? 2 repeated కదా, f1 of y plus 2x. And what's the next important term? X. All of you respond. X into f2 of y plus 2x. Take this. Yes. Everybody listen. Maybe you will get one small point during the session that will be useful. Okay. ఏదో ఒక చిన్న పాయింట్ అయినా నేర్చుకుంటారు కదా, అందరు వినండి. ఈవెన్ దో ఇట్ ఈస్ రిపీటెడ్, సమ్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ మే బి ఎక్స్ట్రా డిఫరెంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎస్టర్డే, మే బి యూస్ఫుల్ అంతే. మీరు వినాలా వినొద్దని ఎవరిని అనుకోవట్లేదు, అందరు వినండి. యు ఆర్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద క్లాస్. ఐ ట్రీట్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఈక్వల్. ఓకే, రైట్. Solve dq minus 4 d square d dash plus 3 d dash square into z equal to 0. So what is given? dq minus 4 d square d dash 3 d dash square. Now, third bench. The LHS is a combination of d and d dash. RHS is 0. Is it homogeneous or non-homogeneous? which is homogeneous. And what is the solution of 1? What is the solution of 1? Z equal to CF. Z equal to CF. Okay. Finding CF. What is the auxiliary equation? How to get the auxiliary equation? Tell me. I given a hint in the previous two substitution. We have to make substitution. Substitute D equal to M. D dash equal to 1 in F of D comma D dash. All of you. Replace simple D with M. D dash by 1. Then it will become responder. D. Replace D by M. M cube D dash 1 plus D dash 3 M. Only two changes. D with M. D dash equal to 1. Now it will convert M cube minus 4M square plus 3M. In each and every expression, M is common. M is common. Take M common. M square minus 4M plus 3. M square minus 4M plus 3. Okay. M equal to 0. First part. What's another part? M square minus 4M plus 3. May I know the roots for the second one? What are the roots for the second one? If you solve, what you will get? 1 comma 3. So final, what are the roots? 0, 1, 3. Now tell me, what is CF? Roots are 0, 1, 3. F1 of y plus F2 of plus F3 of, and what is the solution finally? Z equal to CF. Z equal to CF. Yes. Next. Okay. Have you finished? Solve. You're not concentrating. Dou square z by dou x square minus 4 plus 4 now the difference between the previous one and the present one is in the previous problem the question is given directly in the operator form but here you must convert that into operator form. I've already given a hint how to convert that into operator form. Now everybody this is the which derivative of x? This is the which derivative of x? Second derivative. This is the which derivative? Second derivative. When x is replaced by d, x square is replaced by d square. There is no y term. Next, minus 4. Dear students, 1x, 1y. What should I replace for 1x and y? D dash. X, d, y, d dash. Okay. Next, can you please tell me what about this term? All of you say y square. This is in which form? F of d into, is it homogeneous or non-homogeneous? It is homogeneous. What is the solution here? Z equal to CF. Find the auxiliary equation. Once again, we go for two substitutions. To find the auxiliary equation, what are the substitutions? Chapalam andaru. Yes. Substitute d equal to m, d dash equal to 1 in f of s. Now, perform this step. Substitute d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. All of you. Chapalamma. D square become, please be respond. This will transfer to m square minus 4. D is replaced by m and d dash is replaced by 1. What is the last term? Plus 4 d dash is replaced by 1. D dash is replaced by 1. Okay. Chudana mandaru. D is replaced by m. D dash is replaced by 1. Please see the yellow color supporting letters I have written. Replace d by m, d dash. Now, finally, what is the result? What is the result? M square. This is m minus 2 whole square equal to 0. M equal to 2 comma 2. M equal to 2 comma 2. That is very simple. Finding the roots is very simple. You know that part. That is why I am writing directly roots. If you take the scientific calculator also, you will write. What is the complementary function? 2 comma 2. Chapali. F1 of plus F2 of, because 2 is repeated. 2 is repeated. X will come. F1 of y plus 2x plus x into F2 of y plus 2x. Now we'll see how to find out the particular integrals starting from e power ax plus by. Yes. మైక్ వినిపిస్తుందా? తగ్గినట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు వాయిస్. కెన్ యూ హియర్ మీ లాస్ట్? నా వాయిసే వస్తుంది చూడు, నేనంతా నా చేసేయండి చేసేయండి. ఉంటుందా? ఓకే, రైట్. All of you, now we'll see how to find out the particular integrals without any delay. Okay, completed. Huh? Stop murmur. Could you please stand up? దీన్ని ఇచ్చి కొట్టాను అనుకో, నీ పరువు పోతుంది. మహా అంటే నేను నెక్స్ట్ టైం రాకపోవచ్చు, నాకు పెద్ద బాధ ఏం లేదు. ఈడియట్, అన్నం తినట్లే, షట్ బటన్ పెట్టుకో. స్టూపిడ్. ఫీల్ షేమ్, మీరందరూ అలానే ఉన్నారు. ఈసారి డిస్టర్బెన్స్ వచ్చిందనుకో, ఐడి కార్డ్స్ తీసుకొని ప్రిన్సిపల్ కంప్లైంట్ చేసిపోతాను, నేను చెప్తున్నా. ఫైండింగ్ ద పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్. Ma'am, last. Ma'am, concentrate on these guys. Their behavior is not good. You people have to just support. Otherwise, teaching and controlling this will be very big headache to the teachers. వీళ్ళు చాలా డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారు మేడం మా బెంచ్ వీళ్ళు. దర్ 4 guys. దర్ నాట్ లిజనింగ్. అటెండెన్స్ ఇచ్చి పంపించండి మేడం, లేకపోతే ఎందుకు వీళ్ళు వాళ్ళు ఇంకా తాడి చెట్లంతా పెరిగారు. ఇంత ధమాక్ లేదు ఒక్కొక్కడికి. ఇడియట్స్. కామన్ సెన్స్ కూడా లేదు వాళ్ళకు. ఎస్. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Now, girls, stop talking. Like our regular ordinary differential equations, to find the particular integrals, here we have how many cases? Three different cases. What is the first one? Exponential. Second one, sine or cos called which functions? Trigonometric functions. Third one, polynomials. Third one, polynomials. Take this. Case 1. Right. F of d into d dash equal to z equal to e power ax plus by. Now, obviously, మేడం మీరు కూర్చోండి చూసుకుంటాను వాళ్ళు నలుగురే డిస్టర్బెన్స్ మిగిలిన వాళ్ళు వింటున్నారు. Okay, ma'am, you relax, I will take care. Right, here, with one simple substitution, you can finish the part of denominator. What is the simple substitution, dear students? Put d equal to a, d dash equal to, and what is a? X coefficient. What is y? What is b? Y coefficient. And we are here. That you substitute in the denominator. Therefore, denominator will become f of a comma b into e power ax plus by. That's it. 1 by f of a comma b into e power ax plus by. And in the majority cases, the denominator will be not equal to 0. If the denominator will be 0, how to handle the case, I will tell you. Okay, by replacing x in the numerator, once we have to differentiate the denominator. Have you finished? Solve dou cube z by dou x cube minus 3 dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 4 dou cube z by dou y cube equal to e power x plus 2y. E power x plus 2y. Convert into operator form and find the complementary function. Convert this into operator form. All of you must complete the problem because this is the third sum, right? You must know how to convert this into operator form first. Whenever the now tell me what is the equation in the operator form? All of you say d cube, d cube 3 plus 4 d dash cube. This is in the form d dash into z equal to f of x comma y. What is the solution of 1? Z equal to CF plus PI. CF. What is the auxiliary equation? How you obtain this auxiliary equation? Put d equal to m, d dash equal to 1 in f of d comma d dash. It will give you m cube minus 3m square plus 4. Now find the roots. I expect at least a few calcies in the classroom. Scientific calcies ఉన్నాయండి? ఉంటే start చేయండి. Find the roots. Like finding eigenvalues in the second unit also, you know how to find out the roots. అయిపోయింది కదా ఆర్డినరీ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్. అక్కడ కూడా యాక్సిలరీ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇలానే ఉంది కదా. రూట్స్ చెప్పండి మరి. -1, 2, 2. Correct. Roots amma. Roots -1, 2, 2. Right. Everybody, when you are not having a scientific calculator, find one root by trial and error method. Remaining 2 roots by synthetic division. But better if you have the calci, it will give you the roots. What are the roots, dear students? Tell me. -1 comma. And what is the complementary function? Complementary function. f1 of y minus 1x. f2 of plus f3 of 2 is repeated. So x will come. f2 of y plus 2x plus x f3 of y plus 2x. Yourself, concentrate in the class. వచ్చిపోయే వాళ్ళని చూడడమే నా నీ పని. ఇందుకే పేరెంట్స్ ఫీ పే చేస్తున్నారా నీకు? ఈ మాత్రం దాకా మీ ఊర్లో కూడా చూసుకోవచ్చు కదా జనాలను. The parents are investing the amount because you must learn. నేర్చుకోవడానికి టైం వేస్ట్ చేయడానికి కాదు. రైట్. What is the differential equation? Can you please tell me? Differential equation ఏంటమ్మా? d cube minus 4, sorry, minus plus 4 d dash cube. Okay. Everybody concentrate. To find the particular integral, send this term to right side. D cube minus 3 d square d dash plus 4 d dash cube into, okay. Now, the coefficient of x 1, that is a, that is a. And what is the coefficient of y? 2, that is b. Now, put b equal to 1, d dash equal to 2. Simple. D equal to a, d dash equal to b. Okay, d equal to a, d dash equal to b. Okay. Dear students, here what is x coefficient of what is x coefficient? 1, that is a, and y coefficient 2, that is b. Now substitute d equal to a, d dash equal to b. What is the result? Have you understood that? Substitute d equal to this first value, a value, d dash equal to b, second value. Now what is the result? Cheppandi mandaram. Sorry, 1 by 1 cube, 3 into 1 square into 2, 1 square into 2 plus 4 into 2 cube. Okay. How much? 1 minus 6 plus 32 into e power x plus 2y. 27. This is a value, this is b value. We must replace d equal to a value. What is the a value? 1. D dash equal to b. B value 2. One simple problem. It will not take much time. I will concentrate on the particular integral only in this. Okay. Find the particular integral of boys. Yourself. China follow ballana. Find the particular integral of d cube minus 7 d d dash square. What is the pi? 1 by d cube. This is a. This is b. Now substitute d equal to a, d dash equal to b. Now complete that. And in the next problem, I will concentrate if the denominator will become 0, how to handle that. Yes. కనబడట్లే అయిపోయింది ఆన్సర్ 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 చెప్పమ్మా అది ఆన్సర్ అంటే నువ్వు తల ఊపేస్తున్నావు కానీ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పట్లేదు I am expecting the value. What is the answer? Minus 1 by 12 e power 2x plus y. Yes. చేయట్లే. Stop talking. Boys. In the exponential function, what is the substitution? Substitute d equal to a value, d dash equal to b value. Girls, stop talking. Next, all of you, కొంచెం voice increase చేయమన్నా. What is the value, final value? 12. Next, find the particular integral of, d square minus d dash square. You are not listening. Third bench. మీరే వినట్లేదు. వినొచ్చు కదా. What is the a value? A value 1. B value, substitute d equal to 1, d dash equal to 1. What is your observation? Right. What is the remedy here? How to solve this? When the denominator is 0, I will tell you a simple technique. I think might you know this concept, but once again I am revising. Okay. I need your attention. ఎందుకు డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నారు? వినడం అందరూ. When the denominator is 0, try to differentiate this denominator. Try to differentiate the denominator. Dou by dou d of d square. Just concentrate the denominator and differentiate with respect to d, but with condition. If you are differentiating the denominator one time, you must keep x in the numerator. That is the compulsory. By keeping x in the numerator, differentiate the denominator. And okay, e power x plus y. And sometimes, listen carefully, in few cases, the result also 0. Even though we have differentiated, and when simplifying, malli 0 రావచ్చు. Second time, malli result ikkada kuda 0 avvochu. Then in that case, add one more x in the numerator. What we have to do? One more x. X ఏమవుతుంది అప్పుడు? X square. Once again, differentiate the denominator and simplify. ఇదే target. Until it gives a finite value. 0 రాకుండా వచ్చేంత వరకు we have to differentiate the denominator. ఒక్కొక్క differentiation కి ఒక్కొక్క x numerator లో యాడ్ చేయాలి. First differentiation. Now I mean which differentiation? First or second? First. X is enough. I'm not going to second. ఏం జరుగుతుందో నాకు తెలియదు. What will happen the first result? Until I simplify, I don't know. Now I don't want to talk anything about the second differentiation. Still, I am in the first only. Now, x by dou by dou d of d square. What is that? 2d. Dou by dou d of d square, 2d. And differentiation of d and d dash, 0. This is with respect to x, that is with respect to y. This is independent variable in x, that is independent variable in y. Now e power x plus y. Now, dear students, what is the differentiation and 1 by d integration, 1 by d integration. This is d by dx. This is integration. That is integration. Integration of e power x plus y dx. Who will say what is the integration of e power x plus y? With respect to x, e power x plus y by dou x of x plus y. What we have to write? Dou x of x plus y. Dou x of x plus y. చూడండి అమ్మ అందరూ, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్ ఆర్డినరీ డిఫరెన్షియేషన్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ sin 2x is minus cos 2x by dou x of 2x minus cos 2x by 2. This is the result. And when differentiation, these are the very important thing. When d by dx goes inside the integration, it will become dou by dou x. It will become dou by dou x. బాగా గుర్తుంచుకోండి. Under the integral side, when you have two variables, obviously we have to take the partial differentiation. Integration of e power x plus y, e power x plus y, there is no doubt. And in the denominator, we have to once again differentiate the internal function. What is the internal function? X plus y, like that. What is the internal function? 2x. Like 2x is differentiated in the denominator. ఇక్కడ కూడా x plus y ని మళ్ళీ differentiate చేయాలి. ఇదే కాన్సెప్ట్. Differentiation of sin minus cos. With 2x is differentiated in the denominator. Like that. Integration of e power x plus y is e power x plus y by dou x of x plus y. That is x by 2 into e power x plus y by dou x of x. How much? చాలా ఈజీ కదమ్మా. పీడీ మీరు పర్ఫెక్ట్ కదా. dou x of x, differentiation of x 1, dou x of y 0. ఇది చెప్పడానికి ఏముంది? x by 2 into e power x plus y. Take this. Stop talking. Stop talking. Here the value is a finite 2D. That is why second derivative is not required. I am happy with the first derivative. If you go for second derivative, keep x square and do the differentiation once again. Type 2. Right. Type 2. Finished? Amai. Finished? Okay, dear students, what is case 2? What is case 2? Sin ax plus by or cos ax plus by. Right. Case 2. మీదే ఎల్లరు వస్తుంది నాకు మీరే సైలెంట్గా ఉండాలి రైట్ trigonometric purely trigonometric functions sin and cos everybody we are going to substitute d square equal to any idea minus a square d dash square minus b square and d into d dash minus ab d by d dash equal to a by b. With the help of these four, that is, the problem is easily simplified. The problem will be easily simplified. B square equal to minus a square. That is a familiar formula. Already in the ordinary also same substitution. D square equal to minus a square. D dash square minus b square. And d into d dash minus ab. D by d dash a by b. Here sir. Solve. First bench girls. మీరే మాట్లాడుతున్నారా solve dou cube z by dou x cube minus 4 dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 4 dou cube z by dou x dou y square equal to 2 sin 3x plus 2y. Find the complementary function first. Find the yc. Convert to operator form. Convert to operator form, all of you. dq minus if you really concentrate, the class will be very interesting because the number of problems I am explaining in every particular method. ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఇక everybody ఇచ్చిన convert into operator form. What is the operator form of this? Everybody, xd y d dash. Can you please tell me? D cube minus 4 plus 4. Okay. Now, auxiliary equation. What are the substitutions? What are the substitutions? To find the auxiliary equations, everybody tell me. You must substitute d equal to m, d dash equal to 1. Substitute d equal to m and d dash equal to 1. What is the equation? M cube minus 4m square, right? M cube minus 4m square plus 4m. M cube minus 4m square plus 4m. M common. All of you take m common. Dear all, take m common. M equal to 0. M square minus what is CF? C1, tell me. Voice తక్కువ చూడండి. C1, sorry, C1 కాదు, CF. CF equal to F1 of y plus 0x. F2 of plus x into right. This is repeated. F1 of y plus 0x plus x. F3 of y plus 2x. కొద్దిగా రౌండ్స్ వేస్తుండండి మేడం. Try the particular integral. D square equal to minus a square. D dash square equal to minus b square. And d into d dash equal to minus ab. Yes. Now, everybody, all of you, sound రావట్లేదు అన్న mic. Yes, can you hear me? Now it's my turn. Concentrate how to finish this problem. All of you stop writing and listen. Here, I will take First, 2 is a constant. 2 is a constant. I'm writing 2 outside. Okay. D common. Why D common means I want to keep the second degree terms inside the function. I'm concentrating on the second degree because all the substitutions are related to the second degree. D square equal to minus a square, d dash square equal to minus b square, d into d dash equal to minus ab. Now, when you take d common, what is the result? What is the remaining terms? D square minus Vinal Babu, first bench. D common. D square minus 4 d d dash plus 4 d dash square into sine 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y. This is the one of the important step here. Now, if you concentrate, dear students, what is the a value? Chapali, what is the a value? 3. B value. Therefore, what is d square minus a square? D square value minus a square minus 3 square. Now, may I know what is the formula for d dash square? Tell me everybody. Minus b square minus 2 square. Okay, fine. Next, d into d dash minus ab minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Yes, this is first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. Now, that is 1 by 2 into d square. D square equal to minus a square minus d square minus 5 minus 4 d dash. D dash I already calculated. Minus 6 plus 4 d dash square plus 4 d dash square. D dash square is minus 4. Okay, into sine 3x plus 2y. First copy up to this. Later I will continue the rest. I will continue the remaining part. You must note down this. Yourself. I'm observing. Yes. Stop bugging. Can you please simplify the expression? Correct. 2. Okay. 9 minus 9 plus 24. 24 minus 16. 24 minus 25 minus 1 minus 1 sine 3x plus 2y minus 2. Finally, 2 by minus 1 minus 2. 1 by d sine 3x plus 2y. 1 by d means integration. Integration of sine 3x plus 2y. Integration of sine. Yes. Integration of sine minus cos by dou by dou x of 3x plus 2y. Minus into minus plus 2 cos 3x plus 2y by 3. ఎందుకు నవ్వుతున్నారు పిక్చర్ లాగా పిచ్చి పట్టిందా ఏంటి? Everybody concentrate. Next, solve. Have you finished? I think you are writing. Stop talking. Next, solve. This is the last problem in type 2. Now, immediately after this, I will start polynomial. We'll also discuss how to deal the polynomial cases after this. Now, finish that. Try to convert in the operator form. చేయండి అందరు చేయండి ప్రాక్టీస్ అవుతుంది. అదేనా Now, what is the auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation. చెప్పండి. M square minus 3m plus 2. Right. M square minus 3m plus 2. ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్ ఏ రాస్తున్నావా నువ్వు? రాయండి. రైట్. మేడం గారు సరే సరే పడుకోండి. ఎస్. Now at least tell me what is the auxiliary equation? M square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. M equal to 1 comma 2. Right. Correct. M equal to right. 0. 0. 0. 0. Use this spell. M square minus what is CF plus F2 of right. మీరిద్దరు నోట్స్ ఇచ్చి పంపించండి. ఒకటి సరిపోతుంది అక్కడ. ఒకటి సరిపోతుంది. నువ్వు ఎందుకు కూర్చో. కమ్ టైం వేస్ట్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ టైం దొరకదురా. ఇట్స్ వెరీ వాల్యుబుల్. What is the denominator? Sin x. X coefficient 1. That is A. Y coefficient is 2. That is B. చేయాలమ్మా. నేను అక్కడ చేస్తున్నది మీరు ఎక్కించుకోవాలి కాదు. మైండ్ యూజ్ చేయండి. నువ్వే ఫోన్ చేయండి. చూపించాలి వాళ్ళకి. ఏం కాలేదురా, టెన్షన్ పడకండి. మాస్టర్ నేను ఒక 2 minutes రెస్ట్ రూమ్కి వెళ్ళి వస్తాను. వీళ్ళేదో టెన్షన్ పడుతున్నట్టున్నారు. ఏం లేదు, క్యాజువల్గా తీశాను. చాలా మంది వెళ్ళిపోయారా? Everybody, may I know what is the answer? Keep mobiles far. Fixed. Push it. Stop talking. వెయిట్ చేయాలి మేడం ఒక 2 minutes స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి. వాటర్ ఇంకొకటి ఉంది. ఎస్ మైక్ సౌండ్ ఉంది. ఎందుకని చేస్తున్నారు మీరు అలా? ఎస్ లాస్ట్ బెంచ్ కాన్సంట్రేట్. K3 polynomial. Ma'am, నీ ఐడి కార్డ్ తీసుకుంటా నేను. మ్యామ్ ఇచ్చేస్తా, శ్రీనివాస్ సార్కి ఇచ్చేస్తా. తీసుకోవాలా? స్టాప్ లాబింగ్. ఎస్, idiot. Okay, next problem. Solve b square plus 3 b into d dash. Now this is the silence I expected. Now the class will be very interesting. This is a typical case. Comparing to the first two, it needs lot of explanation. I hope you will understand better comparing to the previous one. You will listen better. Obviously, it will understand. Now, right, it is a non-homogeneous. It is a, we must find complementary as well as particular, both. Okay, auxiliary equation. D equal to m, d dash equal to 1. Or, dear all, shall I start particular integral directly? Because you know the complementary function, right? Yes. Because I want to save the time for unknown things, not for the known. Complementary function, yes, you are perfect. Writing the roots and everything. CF is your homework. Here, వినవా మరి ఎందుకు వచ్చావు దీనికి? ఈడియాటిక్ థింగ్స్ ఇవన్నీ అమ్మాయిలకు కూడా సీరియస్నెస్ లేకపోతే ఎలా? I was observed some guys are in every session, they're doing extraordinary. They're giving the reply. They want to know the solutions for many things. Very curious about learn known to unknown. తెలుసుకోవాలని చాలా ఉంది. మీ వల్ల వాళ్ళకు కూడా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ అవుతుంది క్లాస్. Okay, now 3d d dash 2d dash square into x plus y. దేవుడు మనకు సెన్స్ ఇచ్చింది మెచ్యూర్ గా బిహేవ్ చేయాలని, పిచ్చి పిచ్చిగా కాదు. Now it is polynomial. As you know earlier, we are already familiar. In this type 3, the binomial expansions plays the crucial role. Which expansions? Binomial expansions. They are in the form either 1 plus d or 1 minus d format. The denominator must be in which format? 1 plus function of d or 1 minus function of d. Now, here, all are second degree. All are second degree. Take any second degree term common. Now I am taking d square common. I am taking d square common because I want to convert the function in the form of 1 plus d terms, 1 minus d terms. That is my idea. Exactly, you must want 1. Denominator lo 1 undali. Now take d square common because this is the least degree. Take d square common. What is the first term? 1. Next 3 d dash by d square plus 2 d dash square by d square into x plus y. This is the first step. I took d square common. Please listen carefully. Very, very important polynomial. Okay. Now 1 by d square 1 plus 3 d by d square 1 by d. D by d square. You may cancel 1d. It gives 1 by d into d dash plus 2 d dash by d square into x plus y. Okay. D dash square by d square into x plus y. Now 1 by d square into, okay, the first priority is 1. Remaining terms are the second priority. What are the remaining terms? 3 d dash by d plus 2 d dash square by d square into x plus y. Now send the denominator to numerator. Send this denominator to numerator. 1 plus 3 d dash by d plus 2 d dash whole square by, wait, plus 2 d dash square by d square c whole inverse into x plus y into x plus y. Then how to apply the binomial, where to stop, I will tell you. Note this. Next steps I will explain. I will take care. Polynomial very important. Even though you attended the session, all the people are requested to listen. Yes, నేను ఇందాక చెప్పాను కదా మాట్లాడొద్దు అని. Yes, once again. Yes, everybody, I have no worries. I have no worries about this first 1 by d square, because that represents the integration that we may perform in the end of the problem. That we may perform the integration at the end. Here, dear all, this is the most important. Okay, right. Now, everybody, ma'am, See, may I know the answer for this binomial expansion? 1 plus కాదమ్మా 1 minus t square solution. How you decide the last term of the sequence? How it will be decided? Where to stop? That is decided by the degree of a polynomial. Here, what is the degree of a polynomial? 1. Enough. In this problem, the higher derivatives are not required. T square, t cube, t power 4 are not required because we have x power 1 and y power 1. Obviously, t power 1 is t power 1 is required. The t square or t cube, t power 4 simply I strike off. Then strike out this ఎందుకంటే x power 1 ఉంది కాబట్టి t power 1. Everyone, once again listen. What is the given problem? X plus y. Therefore, what are the terms I want? 1 minus t. 1 minus t. If the given polynomial, ఒకవేళ ప్రాబ్లం ఇలా ఉందనుకోండి, if the problem contain x square plus y square, you have to write t square. That's it. If the problem is x square plus y square, this is required. But the problem is x plus y. If the problem is x plus y, this is not required. It is not required. Enough. Now, 1 by d square. Now, 1 plus t whole power minus 1. Expand this. Expand. 1 plus t whole power minus 1. 1 minus t. T. Everybody notice here. Okay. And one more thing. The most important thing is, what is this term? What is the term? D dash. D dash means differentiation with respect to x or y, with respect to y. D dash square means you have to differentiate with respect to y how many times? 2 times. If you differentiate the function y 2 times, what is the result? What is the result? First differentiation 0, second differentiation 0. First differentiation of y is 1, next differentiation is 0. And differentiation of x with respect to y also 0. చూడండమ్మా d dash dou by of x 0. Okay, now crystal clear. D dash of x obviously 0 and the second derivative of y also 0. Therefore, when you apply d dash square and when you apply this d dash square to that term, the result will be 0. The result will be 0. ఎందుకంటే with respect to y, x differentiation is 0. With respect to y, x differentiation is 0. And if you differentiate y 2 times, that gives 0. That gives 0. Therefore, I simply drop this term. Then దాన్ని డ్రాప్ చేస్తున్నాను. Once again, I am telling you, ఒకసారి చూడండి, d dash అంటే differentiation with respect to y. D dash means differentiation with respect to y. With respect to y, what is the x differentiation? 0. With respect to y, the x differentiation is 0. With respect to y, if you differentiate y 2 times, obviously it will give you 0. is not required. The second term is not required. Now, finally, when you drop in the middle, when you eliminate the term in the middle, what is the resultant? Chapanama, what is the resultant? 1 minus 1 minus 3 3 d dash by d into x plus y into x plus y. Now take x plus y inside, x plus y minus 3 by d dash into x plus y, d dash into x plus y. Okay, 1 by d square x plus y minus 3 by d. May I know what is d dash? D dash dou by dou by of x plus y. 1 by d square x plus y minus 3 by d dou by of x plus y. What is the answer? 1. With respect to d dash by d, you are getting 1. With respect to higher derivatives, that will be 0. That is why I ignored. The reason for ignoring, ikkade manaku answer ఎంత వచ్చింది 1 వచ్చింది. And if you apply second derivative, that will be 0. So I was not consider this. And finally, 1 by d square x plus y minus 3. May I know what is, dear students? What is d? What is 1 by d? Integration of what? Dx. Integration of what? Dx. Note this. Still it takes 5 minutes time to complete the problem, but it will be completed. Yes, first, second page. నీకు పడతాయి వెళ్ళే ముందు నీకు తనులు పడతాయి సైలెంట్గా విను ఇదేసే పర్వాలేదు మీతో with respect to y, x plus y derivatives are 0. Yourself, where are you concentrating? చేయాలి అంతే. Have you wrote? I will keep this part. I will move that side. Now, one by d square x plus y. Alavi, focus. Integration of 3, sorry, integration of 1 x x plus y, sorry, y minus 2x. Y minus 2x. Now, what is the meaning of this? We have to integrate the function. We have to integrate the function how many times? 2 times. I will write this clearly. Just give a second. This is the inner differentiation. This is the inner differentiation. First differentiation is over. Next, one more dx. This is why you have to arrange this properly. Inner differentiation with respect to x, outer also with respect to x, because we have to integrate 2 times. Okay. Now, inner కాదు 0 ఎందుకు అవుతుంది? ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ y dx డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేయకండి. మైనస్ 2 ఇంటూ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ x dx హోల్ dx. ఇక్కడ మీరు మిస్టేక్ చేసేది ఎవ్రీబడి విల్ డూ ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ y you will write 0, but it's not correct. We treat y constant differentiation, that is y constant. Take y outside, take y outside. Integration of 1 dx minus 2 into, yes, that is yx minus x square dx. Integration of y is not 0. Y is independent. Y constant here. Next, integration of yx dx, integration of x square dx, y outside x dx minus x cube by 3, y x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Y x square by 2 minus x cube by 3. Okay. D by dx of y 0. Dou by dou x of y 0. But in the integration it is not. I'll square. Yes, concentrate. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా? వేరే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమైనా డౌట్స్? వేరే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఏమైనా ప్రీవియస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ లో నేను చెప్తాను. Yes. Silence. All of you. Now I concentrate on some previous year problems. The problems which are not covered in previous class, yesterday class, that I will cover now. In the previous concept, elimination of arbitrary functions. Babu Vinali. Yes. Form a partial differential equation. Next. Some extra problems. ఇంకో ప్రాబ్లం కావాలా? మల్టీప్లైర్స్ కూడా చెప్తాను. మల్టీప్లైర్స్ కావాలా? Solve the Lagrange's. Second problem in Lagrange's multipliers. Okay. Right. Solve MZ ఎందుకు దెబ్బలాడుకుంటున్నారు మీరు? తల ఎదురుతుంది వీళ్ళందరికీ. ఇంతసేపు మాట్లాడుతూనే ఉంటారా? నేను టైం వేస్ట్ చేయట్లేదు కదా. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ వేస్టింగ్ ద టైం కదా, మీ గురించే కదా. మల్టీప్లైర్స్ ఇంకో రెండు సమ్స్ చెప్తున్నాను, మీకోసమే కదమ్మా. సాల్వ్ ఎంజెడ్ మైనస్ ఎన్వై ఇంటూ పి ప్లస్ ఎన్ఎక్స్ రైట్. మేడం, వాట్ ఇస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ విత్ దట్ గాయ్? బాబు నీ ప్రాబ్లం ఏంటన్నా ఇట్రా. నీకు ఏదైనా కష్టాలు ఉంటే నాకు వచ్చి చెప్పుకో ఇట్రా. ఏం కష్టాలు లేవా? మరి వినొచ్చు కదరా బాలకృష్ణ. రైట్. ఎవ్రీబడి, గర్ల్స్, ఎందుకు అరుస్తున్నావు నువ్వు? గమ్మున ఉండలేవా? మేడం, మేడం, I have no problem to revise, but if the people are not utilized, what is the use? Please decide. I'm 100% interested to teach. నాకు వెళ్ళిపోవాలని ఏం లేదు. బట్ వీళ్ళు వినకపోతే మాత్రం చక్కగా బ్యాగ్ వేసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయిన. ట్రైన్ ఈవినింగ్ ఉంది. ఫ్రెష్ అప్ అయిపోయి హైదరాబాద్కి, మా ఊరికి ప్రశాంతంగా చెప్పాలా వద్దా? మీరు చెప్పండి, చెప్పాలా వద్దా? ఆ మేడం, చెప్తాను మేడం, కాకపోతే సైలెన్స్ ఉంచండి అదొకటి. కీప్ దెమ్ సైలెన్స్, మేక్ దెమ్ సైలెన్స్. రైట్. దిస్ ఇస్ విచ్ ఈక్వేషన్? Lagrange's equation, PP and this. Everybody, the right answer is this is a which equation means you have not PPQQ equal to R. అది కాదు నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసింది. ఇట్ ఈస్ a which equation? Lagrange's. Lagrange's equations are solved by two methods. One is method of grouping, another one is method of multipliers. Right. What are the auxiliary equations? Auxiliary equations. Yes. dy by equal to equal to LDX plus LDX plus FTY plus by FR. Right. Everybody, okay. Now it is our responsibility to make P plus Q plus R 0 with the help of LMN. With the help of LMN. And in the last expression, okay, in the last expression, what is the denominator? What is the denominator? In the last right side, what is the denominator? LP plus MQ plus NR. Now search what is L and what is M and what is N. With the help of these three, can you please search that? Surgeon LP plus MQ plus NR. Now I will explain. Chudana Mandaru. dx by girls. What is P? mz minus ny. dy by q. dz by ly minus mx equal to L dx. L means x. X dx plus y dy plus z dz by x into mz minus ny y into nx minus lz plus z into ly minus mx, and each fraction equal to, now I assign a work. First copy the step and simplify the denominator. Then I will tell you the importance of LMN, how I was chosen. Today we అర్థమైపోతుంది. Shared. All of you. The question ఏంటి? ఇది హయ్యర్ ఆర్డర్ అనుకుంటారా? ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ పీక్యూ లో ఉంటుంది ఇది. ఇది మల్టిప్లేయర్స్ లో వస్తుందంటవా? అందులోనే ఉందా? అవి ప్రీవియస్ రెగ్యులేషన్ అనుకుంటా. ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ పీక్యూ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అందులో వస్తుంది ఇది. ఉందా అసలు? లెగ్రాంజెస్ ఏనా అది? కాదురా, ఇంత తింగర క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చేయండు. చూస్తాలే ఒకసారి టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఉంటే చూసి. ఎస్, ప్లీజ్ సింప్లిఫై ద డినామినేటర్. ఒక రౌండ్ పీపీ ప్లస్ క్యూక్యూ కూడా కాదు. సాల్వ్ అనే ఉందా? ఇదంత సింపుల్ క్వశ్చన్ అయితే కాదు, బట్ చెప్తా. రైట్, అదేరా చూస్తున్నాను నేను కూడా. కూడా చూస్తున్నా ఈ సమ్మ. బాయ్స్, వాట్స్ ద డినామినేటర్? Last, guys. I hope you will listen well. Yes. Now, have you copied? Now, okay. Everybody, boys, each fraction, instead of writing the LHS, I'm writing each fraction. What is the right side? What is the right side? X dx by what is the denominator? Simplify it. X mz minus xny ynx minus ylz lyz minus mxz. each fraction equal to x dx plus y dy plus z dz by 0. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what you will get? X dx integrate both sides. X square by 2 plus y square by 2 plus z square by 2 equal to C1. Normally, mz minus ny, they will not become 0. With the help of xyz, we converted 0. Yes. ఇందులో p terms అన్న ఒక దగ్గర రా. p ఇందులో qy equal to z into z minus y square minus 2x cube. P into p, q into q equal to r. dx by z minus 2y square dy by y into z minus y square minus dz by z into ఇవి రెండు సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తే ఇవి రెండు క్యాన్సల్ అవుతాయి. dy by y ఈక్వల్ టు dz by z log y ఈక్వల్ టు log z y by z ఈక్వల్ టు c1. ఇంకొకటి కష్టపడితే ఇంకొకటి. ఎస్, హియర్ ఫస్ట్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిప్లైర్స్ బాయ్స్ x y z. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద సెకండ్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిప్లైర్స్? L equal to L self multipliers అమ్మా ఈ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి. నెక్స్ట్ సెట్ L equal to L, M equal to M, N equal to N. Take second set L equal to L, M equal to M, N equal to N. Try by using this. L equal to L, M equal to M, N equal to N. ఇంకొకటి టెక్నిక్స్ ఏం లేవు ఇలాంటివి. 1 2xy 0 -1 2xy 2x ఇలాంటివి ఏదైనా ట్రై చేయి ఇలా. ఎందుకంటే అంత 2xy లోనే ఉంది కదా. ఇలాంటివి కొద్దిగా మనము ప్రయోగాలు చేయాలి. చేస్తే ఒకటి దొరుకుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఒకటైతే వచ్చింది అందులో. బాయ్స్ నెక్స్ట్ అనదర్ సెట్ ఆఫ్ మల్టిప్లైర్స్. L equal to L, M equal to M, N equal to తీసుకోండి. మీరు మాట్లాడితే అర్థం కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ L equal to L, M equal to M, N equal to N, dx by L dx L into what is P? What is P? Plus N Ly minus Mx. Self multipliers. నెక్స్ట్ సెట్ ఏంటంటే L equal to L, M equal to M, N equal to N. Who is talking? Now each fraction equal to zero. Now L dx Silence. Third bench. చెప్పు. ఓకే. యువర్ సెల్ఫ్. ఇది ఇక్కడ వరకు అర్థమైందా? ఇది ఇక్కడ వరకు అర్థమైందా? ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏంది? dx బై dy బై ఇలానే ఉంచు. y ఇంటూ dz బై z ఇంటూ ఇదే టర్మ్ తో డివైడ్ చేయి. ఈ టర్మ్ తో డివైడ్ చేయి. ఇలా సింపుల్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకో. ఫస్ట్ ఈ టర్మ్ తో అన్ని డివైడ్ చేశారు. ఇప్పుడు ఇవి ట్రై చేయి ఒకసారి. ఇవి ట్రై చేయండి అమ్మా. 1 2xy. ఈ లోపల నేను ఇది చూస్తాను. ఎస్, ఇది చేయండి. 1 2xy మైనస్ x. ఒక రఫ్ నోట్స్ ఉందా? అమ్మాయిలు మాట్లాడడానికి నన్ను వచ్చింది. ఎస్, డౌట్స్ ఉంటే అడిగి క్లారిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా. ఇది ఎల్, ఇది ఎమ్, అది ఎన్. ట్రై చేయి. లేకపోతే 1 మైనస్ 2xy x ఏదో ఒకటి వస్తుంది చందులో. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ రెండు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా నాన్న. y dx by y minus x dx equal to ఇది ఒకటి. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది చూద్దాం. చూడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏమన్నా. ఎస్, ఏమైంది చెప్పాను కదా ఇది. ఇది ఒకటి. ఇది ఒకటి. తర్వాత dy బై మైనస్ xy ఈక్వల్ టు dz బై ఓకే xx క్యాన్సల్. dz బై వీళ్ళ డౌట్స్ క్లారిఫై చేద్దాం. అవునా? xx క్యాన్సల్. ఇవి రెండు తీసుకున్నా. అప్పుడు